Good morning students. In this video I will discuss very short questions which are asked in your exam stanza wise. These very short questions belong to stanza number 1. First question: from which poem has this stanza been taken and who is the poet of this poem? The answer will be, this stanza has been taken from the poem Fire and Ice. Robert Frost is the poet of this poem. The second question: what are the meanings of these words fire and ice? The answer: fire means here desire, greed, and ice means here coldness of hatred. Hatred. Now next stanza, next question: what is the universal message in this poem? What is the universal message in this poem by the poet? What is the universal message in this poem by the poet? In this poem, the poet says that nothing is permanent in this world. One day, everything has to destroy. Same way, the world will also destroy one day. Now the second stanza. From the second stanza, 3 very short questions are given. The first question: what does it indicate here? It. In this second stanza, the answer: here it indicates the world. Second question: why does the poet compare to ice? Answer: the poet compares hate to ice because fire and ice both are destructive powers. Ice is as cold as coldness of hatred. So the poet has compared ice to hatred or hate. How can evil human qualities destroy the world? Answer: one day evil human qualities will increase in human heart in so much quantity that they will destroy humanity from the world. When humanity will come to an end from the world, it means the world has also destroyed. Now, I will discuss NCERT question and answer. The first NCERT question is: there are many ideas about how the world will end. Do you think the world will end someday? Have you ever thought what would happen if the sun got so hot that it burst or grew colder and colder? The answer of this question is here. According to some people, this world will end in fire, and some people think that it will end in ice. Both are destructive powers. According to me, nothing is permanent in this universe. So, definitely someday this world will also perish. Perish means here destroy. But no one can tell the exact time. If the sun get too hot, then it will burst. Everything will either burn or grow colder and colder. Nothing will remain alive because the sun is the only source of life in this world. Now the second question from the NCERT book. For Frost, what do fire and ice stand for? Here are some ideas. Answer: for Frost, fire stands for greed, lalach, conflict, war, fighting, avarice, greed, love for money. Fury means anger. lust, sexual desire, intolerance, the power of not tolerating anything, rigidity, hardness. The fire stands for all these evil human qualities in this poem. And ice stand for insensitivity, coldness, cruelty, indifference, and hatred. These fire and ice are the symbol of evil human qualities.